You do this yourself?
I did. I called this my redneck tent. The reason why I call it a redneck tent, so if you don't use it, you'll have a redneck.
It's a beautiful day. The park is full and everybody's having fun. Wow, what a beautiful day here in Utah. You hear the robin? Let's go see what we can get into. The one who gives me my assignments for the day is the maintenance supervisor. So what I'm going to do now is try to find him and see what he might want me to do today. You never know what it's going to be. I go around the park looking for him. He's here somewhere. Okay, I just found him. He's up ahead, and we are going to go work on some trees. Some of the trees are not getting water through the irrigation system, and he and I are going to check it out, see what we can do. When I was here last year, one of the supervisors was able to get a grant for 218 trees to be delivered to the park and planted here. I was happy to be part of that. I kept the plant here as a souvenir, but I did a lot of the staking out of where the trees were going to be planted according to the plan here. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to be part of the planting process. Part of my duty is to water 5 trees. Where the trees to be located, the pavement was a problem. We didn't want to be digging up all the pavement, so we hand water 5 trees. Wherever you see a circle, that's a tree that was planted. The irrigation system is an automatic system. They're all on the system except 5 trees. This one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. I need to water the trees twice a week, about 5 gallons each, and I came up with this system to do that. We got to water some trees, and I came up with this system myself. And I fill the bladder, and then I can take this and water the trees. I got this connected to the bladder there. All right, here's how I do this. I got a meter. We're gonna go up to 20. Okay, we'll do tree number 1. What we're doing, all these trees here all the way down, we want to determine if they're getting irrigation water. So there, we got them going. Turn them off. I had to dig this thing up. It took about an hour. I'll replace it later. We had another break, so I got to dig another hole. Sometimes you have to really earn your keep. It's not all fun and games. I've been working on this for an hour. There's a break in here somewhere. It's not all easy. This is hard work, y'all. It's good for you. Good for me. I need to keep going. Well, I finished it. Man, that was a job. Like I say, these dumpsters become overflow, so we took up the overflow and take them and put them in a dumpster that's got room for it. Now we're just having fun driving around. Beautiful here in the summer. I'm serious. This is one of the sections of the park. It's called Chipper. It's got real nice views up here. You can see back in here. I don't think there's a place in Utah where there's not a nice view. All back in here. It's just a fun place to come and let Scooter and Spud. Oh, Scooter's still hanging in there, that sweet baby. Kind of rustic, but it's a peaceful place. It's kind of weird. Move this rock, and there's a key on it. Out in the middle of nowhere. Well, that was fun.